Man, that Tony Baker's a trip. Oh, yeah, girl. Oh, dude. Bruh, this is a whole new level of nosy, dude. You ain't even, you ain't even like knock or, dude, I didn't even hear you come in. But yeah, I guess, whew. Well, since you're here, let's talk about how we can use Instagram on the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus and Tab S7 in landscape mode, because I found a new app that I want to share with you. Let's do it. Okay, now this is appropriate. When you come to somebody's place, man, you come to where they can see you instead of creeping up on them like you just did. Anyhow, man, let me tell you about what I figured out. Oh, well, I didn't really figure it out. Somebody actually told me. Let me figure out who this is. Let me go in here and figure out who told me this. So my man Donovan Cherryhome told me to go look at some screen orientation apps after I released my video about the Tab S7 Plus and how I talked about it annoyed me because, you know, Instagram and some other portrait mode apps would just be in portrait mode when you're in tablet mode and you want it to be in landscape. So he said, look at some apps. So I did, and I found one that you're probably gonna like. I went to the Play Store and it's called Control Screen Orientation. Now, most of the screen orientation apps that I found that were free were pretty crappy. If you found a good free one, please let us know in the comments section, because the only one I found that was worth putting on my tablet and keeping it there, I had to pay $2 or $3 for it. So it's too late for me, but let's get into it, man. It's called Control Screen Orientation. Let's go show it to you in the Play Store. Control Screen Rotation, I'm sorry. And then you open it up. It's a pretty straightforward app. There's not a whole lot to it, man. You just set all your stuff here that you want. You can buy the full version or do the trial. It is like a 3 or 4 day trial before they start charging you some money. But let's get out of here because I want to show you some stuff, man. Oh, you know what? Let's go to GoodLock, because GoodLock might be something that you want to add to your tablet to get things to work. So go to GoodLock and make sure you download Multistar, or yeah, you got to download the Multistar. But there's a lot of great apps from GoodLock that you want on your Galaxy Tab here. So once you've got that and you've already squared that away, then you can go into an app like Instagram, and it's going to upload, or it's going to open up in full landscape mode. There's no turning this thing like this anymore and looking at a gigantic phone. It's just straight up full landscape. But this is a giant, man, who is that handsome fella right there? That guy is freaking handsome, man. Nice house too. Oh, he's got his headphones. Okay, I got sidetracked. Anyways, man, if you don't want it full landscape taking up all the real estate on your screen, you can kind of use the GoodLock to kind of size it to where you want it to be, put it over off to the side, and then you can go over to an app like let's see if we can do, where's Twitter? I don't have Twitter on my home page. So let's open up Twitter too. So let's open up Twitter, because that's usually screwed up on iOS and stuff like that. So there's Travis MCP, and then we'll put, let me see here. We'll put that one over there. We'll open up the gram again. And this is not in Dex. This is in tablet mode. Yes, you can do landscape and Dex, but when you're using it in tablet mode, like, it's tablet mode. So use it in tablet mode, not Dex. This is certified tablet mode. Did I say it was tablet mode? So the tab is in landscape mode, but the apps are in portrait mode. That is clutch. This app is a game changer, man. I love it. Hey, look what my boy El Jefe got up here. So he played 2 hours of Cyberpunk 2077 last night on the P. You got a PS5, man? Oh man, that's what's up. You know what? I play Stadia, so I'm gonna go ahead and stream it. Maybe later on or whatever. Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all how this app works, man. Yes, you can now open up all of your, this works for every portrait mode app. I don't know what they have on iOS, but on Android, now we have GoodLock combined with the power of this screen orientation app. So go to the App Store, support the developers, man. When developers make good apps that actually work the way they're supposed to, you should support them. So pay your $2 or $3 and it's going to change your Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus experience 100 or 1,000%. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys that now you can look at Instagram thoughts in landscape on your Galaxy Tab. I gotta get out of here, man. Hey, before I go, man, y'all make sure y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Whoa. Let me get this straight. You sat through this whole video, the whole thing, and never once decided to hit the subscribe button or the like button, man, it'd be the ones closest to you. I see how you are.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?